feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
ICS training, or Incident Command System training, equips individuals with the framework to operate efficiently during emergency situations. It covers organizing personnel, facilities, equipment, and communication in a standardized structure to manage incidents. Key components include leadership and management, delegation of authority, resource management, and effective communication. This training is essential for emergency responders, public safety officials, and even organizations aiming to enhance their emergency preparedness and response capabilities. Embracing ICS principles can significantly improve coordination and response outcomes during crises.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.